Hello everyone, every instruction I'm about to give you is confirmed by experts working here in the shop, so take a breath. We're going to fix this together. When your Cadillac shows the message, reduced steering assist, the car is basically telling you, hey, the help for turning the steering wheel isn't at 100%, so drive carefully. It doesn't mean the steering wheel is going to lock up, but it does mean the steering can feel heavier, especially at low speeds. It's like the car is warning you before things turn into a bigger problem. Now, according to mechanics, one thing is clear. This warning almost never shows up for no reason. Many say the message comes along with other strange signs like the check engine light turning on, the air conditioning stopping its cooling, or the engine fan running like crazy. That already gives us an important clue. The problem often doesn't start in the steering system itself, but in another system that ends up affecting it. Following that trail, one of the most common causes, especially on models like the XT5, is the engine thermostat. When the thermostat gets stuck open or the temperature sensor fails, the engine never reaches its normal operating temperature. The computer sees abnormal readings and, to protect the system, reduces steering assist. Many confirm that after replacing the thermostat and the sensor, the message disappeared completely. But it's not always a mechanical issue. Here comes the classic villain of modern cars, the battery. In many cases, an old, weak, or unstable battery triggers this message. Even if the car starts fine, if the voltage isn't stable, the electric power steering system gets nervous and says, better reduce the assist. Several mechanics fix the issue simply by replacing the battery or cleaning the terminals. Sometimes the problem is so electronic it feels like a ghost. Some people report that disconnecting the battery for a few minutes makes the message go away, but only for a while. This usually means the system was getting confused by stored errors. If the message comes back, that's a sign there's a real issue to check, not just a software glitch. There are also curious cases where the message appears, but the steering feels completely normal. In those situations, many mechanics kept driving without noticing any change, and after several key cycles, the warning disappeared on its own. Still, mechanics recommend not ignoring it entirely because it's often an early warning of a bigger problem down the road.